Happy New Year, guys! Hey, come on, we jump in at 2021. Ready? Welcome back to another video, guys. We're in which year? 2021. All who made it made it. Guys, so currently we're at home. We're doing a cheese sandwich. You know, we have ice in our igloo, and we're gonna get ready to go up on the beach because we have bonfire. Since I'm not keep fireworks, we keep our one, but can't make them two know. If you see that video here, it was successful. I'm gonna never end up with that back on the truck. I don't want that. It's out my cheese, guys. Apparently, she make people for the cheese. She make cheese for people in a jail. Cause I'm on this. No, but I think when I understand, say, girl, I pack out. Guys, six hours there, guys. I watch. Oh, that old figure. Guys, watch ice. Awesome. Talk to the people in good, guys. Who knows? Guys, 6 hours there on fire. I'll look for a fridge. Look for ice. Look for crepes. Guys, look for sandwich. Anybody pop up them? Tell me if I press the food them here. Look for sandwich I make. No sir, guys. I really want to know. Oh, it's a go. Guys, if police come, we just tell them say we are going to run neighborhood and feed the homeless. We have to go do that because we have the food, can't do it. I make sandwich 3 hours now, sandwich not done. Guys, I don't know at 6 hours we supposed to be at the bonfire because you know COVID, so a small group. Tell me, the fridge can't even lock. This one I just a tip out the ice. Watch him.
The ice tastes good.
The ice tastes good. What it tastes like? What flavor? What flavor water that?
Cold water. Think you make more?
You hear that? Guys, me I got my bed, go sleep and wake up. But because I don't know who she think they out at the beach. If she plan to feed the fish them out there or something, guys. But me, I got my bed. When them ready for going on the seaside, it'll wake me up, yeah? So make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below, guys. Get lights. We get lights. You think about them love the lights?
I just still need lights.
Yeah, nice. Alright guys, so I get a little nap, change my blouse. You know, we never be able to but now I tell no lie. I tell no lie. So it's what time now? I don't have the time.
After 10.
It's after 10 to 11, so I just wake up and we're about to head out to go to the beach. The bonfire done kind of set up already. You have the gas, you have the lighter.
Yep.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, go to the beach, right?
Cassidy sleep out the whole day. She just wake, literally. So we'll see you. Alright guys, so reach. You can see the sun behind me. So we're gonna light the fire now.
Anika, your phone. Battery.
Fire. Yeah. Cause marshmallow carry was for that.
Hey, it's a place to the right. Yeah, right.
And then it's too big. No, it's a big just no, but rather than making it too big,
It's south bit right there. Can't stand up right there.
it's not too big, bro.
Someone else.
So, you have to pull up your body. Like this.
No fire, it's for the fire. Let it cold inside.
No, so shame, man.
Banana breadfruit.
No, marshmallow. Fancy people style. Guys, so they might try light the fire. Hopefully we'll have about 45 more minutes until midnight. You know, we're not getting no fireworks.
That's not dangerous.
The thing slide. No. Really? I'm afraid. I'm a little afraid. She coward. Because afraid it get big. More excited. Take the camera around.
How far the sea there for all the one bucket?
We had a bucket.
You can't do one in our hand.
Johnny! You ready for 2021?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Burn it out! No, sir, fireman, them asleep. No, we never put it up, but the door open.
The door open.
What if it's something there?
Daddy, knock on the door in the vehicle.
Yes, that must pick up.
No more, boo. No more.
Anika, go in here. Oh, it up. What's up, Alka? I want to pass like this. Alka, this is the fire where you want. That way you do shoot. What's up? What's up? No, it not. It needs some sketch. Climb up on the top, brother. What? Whoa! This sound generous. See them people in there. I come from the city, you don't know them. I say come up today. You don't know what the man is so overboard. I don't know if you carry that up by somebody. No, man. Yeah. Then you say you're eating up ice. Your ice good? Ooh, this sounds fun, this sounds fun. Anika. Watch out now, guys. Watch out now. Come back, ice. Come back. Whoa! Burn out, man. What's that boy? Anika is that. Anika, I'll tell you something now. Burn it out. Yeah. What? Yeah.
What on the earthquake? What is going on? What on the rain? They want to kill the black people there. Yeah, I know we are doing today.
Yeah.
What on the people that cut the pay?
Whoa. Burn them. Yeah. Guys, look how far Anika there. Anika run.
Yeah, babe, them gone, babe, them gone. They're not bored,
Anyone a Raja girl see this video?
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like
Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel throughout the whole of the year. Yeah, it's the eye. Anika afraid, guys.
Yes. I'm not afraid.
Your name Anika? No, sir. How you doing? You're excited for the new year? Yeah. I never know so them kind of beach here.
Seaside, you keep on saying beach happy. These muscles. They're like boys who get excited.
We're not leaving at the new year.
We're sit down near the fire though.
And when we roast the marshmallow.
Oh yeah, if I flip me go tree truck there too.
You can want a picture with the fire on our back my phone.
I don't know, jump this up. I don't want to go. Why? Now reach.
This now. She a got show us something.
What is
Burn them out!
burning on the fire? Trying to reach.
Burn them out.
Mommy, what is empty first? Empty first.
No money not in the here.
Empty paper.
Cassidy! Hey, una help Cassidy because I use shuffling after you feel like they lick you. No. Go on. Anika, she for fling it. A she for fling it, Anika. Make you fling one. Go in front of mommy and fling one. Well, I tell you now. Ready? Woo! Reach further, man. Overhead.
Recharge. Oh, well. Ready? Okay? Yeah.
One.
Happy New Year! And at 12 o'clock, yeah, guys. We have practice. 11:59. 12 o'clock, guys. 12 o'clock.
Happy New Year!
Watch out. No, sir, the radio late. Come and cook out with the man. 2021, guys.
Yo, look at that. Rush and find it on. What? That's plastic.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Guys, about 3 times we celebrate Happy New Year all again now. 11:59, 12 o'clock, and 12:01. No, sir.
Yeah. I shut that up.
Guys, I wish you guys a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, baby! More babies!
Man, I'ma get that display. Who's that?
We live to see 2020. I want to go have food.
We're there. We make it
And the
true.
worst year this we ever see, you know. From bad. Yeah, man. For my little bit of years, I my whole 5 years on earth. And the worst year this we ever see.
Here, dead body to be on there. Come on, you want little virus.
Well, a tree, no. Which fire? Where you say we're gonna do now? We're gonna dance in the fire. You said 2021 lit. Straight up. No, so I'm gonna dance in the fire, guys. Watch it. And you can never yet understand.
Follow me.
Mine is dead.
Shall it come? That's the make sure to spin around the marshmallow so it won't get any cold.
Let's go to the fire, babies.
This is the pop car, so too, you know, but them.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
Check out one stick.
And I got these marshmallows. Hey.
It's not for true, man.
Look here, see this? We want something like 4 of this.
No, sir. Whoa!
Video? Yeah. It's a cheese. Sounds so quick. It can't stay long. That's not hot.
Also, a little pot.
Johnny, that's
Ready now.
yeah. All right. Don't burn it. Johnny, I can't go near that.
Yeah, but I look for fire. Put it down so you have to walk to the fire to show your manhood.
Alright, see there,
Raja. That burn.
Not the fire.
Hey there, Han.
It's not good enough.
Wow. It melts. Nice. Go up a little more, baby. Go up a little more. Out it. Cassidy, want go a little more.
Cool it. That burn.
Yeah, that nice, Cassidy. You're nice. Taste it and tell me how it is.
Burn my skin.
Yeah, that taste it. By the time 2021 done. Taste by little piece.
It gone?
Yeah, try it.
Try this side. Not all of it. Not this side.
Nice?
You like it, Cassidy?
Nah, you mean no. You like it?
Also marshmallow eat.
Cassidy! You like it? Finally, guys. Yeah, but I tried to cover few ads. I tried to wait on drop out. Watch out, guys. No, sir. Yeah, oh, you forget if you can't see. Yeah. That's why I must say bring it. But look how he might burn me up now. Yeah, so good enough. Oh.
Yeah, man, good, yes, so no, man. That one I know you can't push it in, so.
Lord J. I don't like my marshmallows well done. Yeah, you done. This is well done. Alright.
Alright, hold on to me, hold on to me. I'm gonna blow up on it. I'm Corona. Oh, Corona not there again. I 2021. Corona gone. Now we are no more.
Auntie Shade going to burn it for you. Video. I'll try to get done.
Boy.
You don't like it?
I don't need to come, I let it go.
Oh, so spread. Wait, hold on, come here. Yes. It's not done.
You know what about?
Nah, cheese sandwich you got to us?
Ooh, for two, bring on some here, John. Bring one for me, too. Bring one for me.
Bonfire by the sea, which you can't see.
But it dead here. Trust me, you hear the waves them? Guys, them are toast bread and cheese.
What do you like?
Ready?
What's it? Better run over the something now. I thought you like it. And that be I say, jump over the something.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, that was lit. What time is it? The time is, it is 2:19. Guys, New Year's was lit. Government say must stay home, and that's exactly what we did. Just so happened that our home has a beach in the backyard. So guys, thank you very much for the support in 2020, and I look forward to your much appreciated support in 2021. I know so I'm gonna turn up the love. I know so I'm gonna turn up the likes. Turn up the time I want to spend on my channel, guys. I love you. Thank you for supporting us. See you in the next video. Bye, Love Squad. Happy New Year.